Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Hadian baka Khasi Students Union kalai shong jingalang bat ka sarkar jilla haka janmiet jong ka arpon rio tarik nailar arhaja arpon rio haka balai kran lor ki santali ki mat jingdawa ki baka seng kalabo na kaliang konrad ki sangma umentri rang ba ka jilla ula pentep baka sarkar kala Thaw ya ka fact finding committee FFC ban kmi pnya halor ka Shree Cement Limited. Haba pentep ya kani shakilat pathai khobor ukonrat ulaong baka sarkar jala kan haban wat kilat ki lenti ban yo ya ka jingmang pisa na ka benta ki kampan roi bat ka Shree Cement Limited kadi ka wei na padang ki karkhana ka bahe tam ulaong baka jing panlong ya ka public hearing kala yat kat kum ka jing board ya ki kendon bat kum ta halor ka jing mi ki jing kentho ka sarkar kala Thaw ya ka fact finding committee FFC ka balat luj bat ka ban kli dau he sarkar klam dadan ka nu ka jing tuklar na ki nu ki liang ban wat pnya halor ka ni ka benta nolor kata ulaong bakat ba ka jing wat pnya kadang ya chakmat yamanta ki nu ki kam ki Ïadei bat ka Shree Cement Limited kin Sangeh Shwa.
Point by point, we discussed on all the issues that we mentioned. The first agenda was regarding the public hearing of Shree Cement and their demand that it should be cancelled or scrapped. I shared with the members of the union that the government has to bring in private investment for the economic growth that we would like to see. And accordingly, when the proposal came from Shree Cement to set up an industry here, it was a positive step. Shree Cement is the second largest producer of cement in the country and a very reputed organization. After following the basic procedures of the basic applications, the process of public hearing as per law is required. And therefore all the procedures were conducted and the public hearing was done. But the members of the KSU had mentioned that they had concerns about the process in which it was conducted, and that certain steps were taken to stop certain people from coming, and also certain concerns regarding environmental issues and other stakeholders not being involved. And hence we came to the conclusion that we will be putting up a fact-finding committee headed by a senior official from the government, independent of the district administration, and few members will be part of that fact-finding committee. And let them find out the details of all these points that were mentioned, especially regarding the public hearing, the procedure and the process in which it happened, the aspects of stakeholders being consulted or not, and the aspect of the environmental issues that were there. And until that time, till the fact-finding committee completes its work, things will be on status quo and no further work will proceed and everything will be stopped, and the fact-finding committee will be allowed to first do its fact-finding and submit its report and its findings. And as until then, all works will stop and any kind of construction or any kind of work that is being done from the company's side will be asked to be stopped.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya